welcome back. It's Halloween 2020 and we have harvested all our homegrown pumpkins some time ago. We have had some really big ones this year.
And we've got a weird one.
A really weird one, so we'll introduce you to our weird one towards the end of this video. You've maybe carved your pumpkins into some fantastic lanterns and put little lights into them and look really well. We've done a lot of baking and cooking with ours, so we've made things like pumpkin soup, but we've also made 5 or 6 other things which are fantastic. And here's one of them here. What is this, Jacob?
Pumpkin cake.
Pumpkin cheesecake. Shall we try a bit? Let's see what we think of it. Is that good? What does it taste?
Pizza.
Pizza. It tastes delicious anyway, doesn't it? It's made with pumpkins amongst lots of other things in it, so that's a pumpkin cheesecake. So stay tuned to find out the weight of our heaviest pumpkin. And what else are we going to show them? Oh, get some ideas on what you might want to cook or bake with your pumpkin. You're going to get a bit more. Well, that's a big slice for one person, isn't it? We harvest our pumpkins back in September, so we're going to show you our video that we took back then. Hi, we have a massive pumpkin. In fact, we have a few pumpkins, but this is the biggest. And it's the end of September, first week of October this week, and we are going to harvest our pumpkins. So, will we have a go? This one's huge, isn't it?
Yeah, let's cut it.
Right, where do we cut it, Jacob? There. Right, well, we're going to leave a wee bit of that on, attached to the pumpkin, so we will cut off some of these wee side shoots first. See these here? Now, pumpkins spread all over the place. So they do. So you kind of need to keep them under control a wee bit. So there we've cut our pumpkin. Now, do you think you'll be fit to lift it? Is it bigger than a football?
Yeah.
Right. You want to help Daddy lift it?
Yep.
After 2.
1, 2.
Oh, that is heavy.
That is heavy.
That's bigger than your head.
Is it?
Look. Will you put it up on top of your head?
No. There goes. Okay.
Isn't that big? Look. That's a huge pumpkin. The wee bottom there is a wee bit pale of itself, but that's only because it hasn't got any sunlight. And it's been a great year for pumpkins. If you've been growing...
Snail.
Well, there's a wee snail in there. Yeah. So it's been a great year for pumpkins. Lots of sunshine. A few years ago we grew these and it was a very wet autumn and there was very little sunshine and we had to pick these green and harvest them inside. But these have done really well. And in fact, the year we tried to ripen them, we set them up on tables in the tunnels. I think it was Christmas nearly before they were ready. But this is ready in good time. A month to go for Halloween, isn't that right, Jacob? Where we could maybe carve this. We'll see how it goes. We're probably going to turn this into pumpkin soup and pumpkin pies.
You think I'll be able to carry that?
Yeah, you come back here now and help us carry this.
Okay, myself.
We're going to carry this now and we're up to the house and we're going to weigh it and we will let you know.
Oh, that is heavy.
It is.
I can't lift this.
Will I let go?
No.
That's huge. We're now going to weigh one of our pumpkins. It's the biggest pumpkin we've got. Let's take it up. 3, 2, 1, up. Isn't it? Right, it's sitting freely there, hanging freely. We have a dog here barking like crazy. So we will do it in kilos first. What have we got? Just shy of 15 kilos. There's one excited boy. 14 3/4, just about 15 kilos. Or if you want it in pounds, the Imperial, we are on 30, 31, 32 pounds. What's exactly there? 31.5. Alright, so that's pretty impressive, isn't it? And just to be sure, the scale started at 0. No cheating. This is very heavy. Right, fantastic.
Here's our pumpkin as on its place.
You call this a freaky pumpkin? Well, what colour are pumpkins normally?
No.
What colour was all the other? Orange. That was all the other pumpkins we harvested, wasn't it?
Right, this one has green.
Right, so we'll cut off some of these leaves to get in beside the pumpkin. In fact, you know what I think we'll do? We'll just cut off the main stem. Right, and we'll show everybody how pumpkins actually grow. Right, pumpkins grow, they are like climbing plants and they spread all over the place. As you can see,
What's there? What were my fingers on?
as you can see, this is all part of the plant.
What's here?
This is all grown.
Yeah, I need to get rid of that.
So these, you could actually climb these up at like a frame and support your pumpkin fruit, but we had plenty of room, so we just let them grow along the ground. So we're going to cut this off now.
Yeah, put it just here. Put it just here. Put it just here. Put it just here.
Where do you want to cut?
Cut there and cut there and cut there and cut there.
Where will we cut it, Jacob?
Just here and there.
Yeah, it's very important we leave this on the pumpkin.
Yeah.
So what are we cutting these with?
Lockers.
These are loppers, yep. These are very old loppers actually. It's actually got on them made in West Germany, so that's how old they are.
Cut that.
Anybody that's old enough to know what I'm talking about? Right, I think
Cut there.
you need to see. Look. Ah. Oh, well, see now, we need to cut a few more off, don't we? Cut your fingers. Right, we lift this one up. Oh, this is another heavy one, not as heavy as the other one. What do you think of that? It's heavy rain out, isn't it? Got a big storm for Halloween, and it's heavy rain today. So there's our knobbly looking pumpkin, or supposed to be a pumpkin. We'll have to do a bit of homework on this. But you can get white pumpkins if you look them up on Google. You will see albino pumpkins, which are white pumpkins. So what do you think of this?
Let's go.
This is, I wonder has there been any freaky pumpkins like this grown in Donegal before? You got it? Too heavy. Right, we banging on your head?
No.
I think we could carve this one. We didn't carve any of our other pumpkins. We peeled them and cooked lots of things with them. We had pumpkin soup, pumpkin pies, pumpkin cake, cheesecake, buns, bread, lots of things, haven't we? Right. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed watching how our pumpkin harvest and all the things we did with them. You're all excited by this. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Grow Up Gardening. And we hope to have lots of gardening videos up next year, 2021, all being well. Thank you. Bye-bye.